Practice lean manufacturing by using print queues with SumiMark and SumiTag printers. From the SumiLabel Explorer window, navigate to Tools, then select the Print Queue Manager. The Print Queue Manager is used to create and edit print queues, gathering jobs that you intend to print together and determining how to divide them between one or more printers or material types. With the Manager open, navigate to the Print Queue menu, then choose New Print Queue. Enter a name for this print queue, along with a description to help make sense of the jobs you'll be adding. Click Add to Queue, then locate a set file with a job you wish to print. This will bring up the Select Jobs window, where you're able to select which jobs you want specifically if the set contains multiple. When you're ready, click Add. You'll see the jobs now in the main print queue screen, with details like the material and number of markers within. Continue adding jobs as desired until your print queue is fully assembled. Next, we'll organize the jobs according to the printer we wish to use for each one. Ideally, that would mean that they are also grouped by type and size of material, though that may not necessarily be the case. Select the jobs to be printed by each printer, navigating to the Select Printer drop-down menu once they're selected to choose the printer for those jobs. Once every job has been assigned to a printer, decide whether you want to prompt for a product at the start of printing. Advisable if you have assigned jobs with different material to the same printer. Then click Print Queue. Verify the printers and the material for each job, then click Continue on the jobs to start printing.